One class, built 3 times, then collapsed into one generic. That's this whole video. Step 1. The duplication problem. We need a stack for numbers. Simple enough. Class number stack. Private items. Number asterisk. Push item number. This item's push item. Pop, number or undefined. Return this item's pop. Now we need the exact same thing for strings. Copy, paste, rename. Class string stack. Private items. String asterisk. Push item string. This item's push item. Pop, string or undefined. Return this item's pop. Step 2. Collapse into one generic class. T is a placeholder for whatever type we decide at the moment we use the class. Same idea as a function parameter, but for types instead of values. Class stack T. Private items, T items. Push item T. This item's push item. Pop, T or undefined. Return this item's pop. Const numbers. New stack number. Numbers push 1. Numbers push 2. Now, error. T is locked to number here. Const names. New stack string. Names push Sarah. Now, step 3. Generic constraint. Add a peek method that logs how long the top item is. That only works if T is guaranteed to have a length, so we constrain it with extends. Class stack T extends length number. Private items T items. Push item T. This item's push item. Peek length number. Return this item's length -1 length. Const words. New stack string. Now, strings have dot length. Const nums. New stack number. Numbers don't. Step 4. You already use generics. Stack T is exactly the same pattern as 3 types you already use every day. Let names. Array string. A, B. Let request. Promise user. Fetch user. Let cache. Map string number is new map. Common mistake reaching for any the moment something needs to work with multiple types.
Any drops type safety completely. A generic keeps it for every type you use. Function identity, any, return value. Now, loses everything. Function identity T, value T, return value, keeps the type.